Hey, life lifting champion. Today's topic is how you can deal with black magic. और अगर आपको लग रहा है कोई आपके सक्सेस पर नज़र डाल रहा है, so नज़र लग जाएगा. That's the moment you think that नज़र लग जाएगा, you create a block towards your success. आप एक दीवार खड़ी कर देते हैं आपके सक्सेस और आपके बीच. So how you can deal with black magic? I was just searching on YouTube about black magic. I didn't watch any video. I just saw that billions of people, not millions, but billions of people are searching about black magic. And about healing techniques, millions of people are searching. So you are more interested about people's nazar lag jayega. That's the problem. What you focus on, that expands. So today I will explain how you can deal with it. So those who are watching me for the first time, hi, I am Manali Cchakravarthy. I am a life transformation coach and a natural healer. And when you are healing people and healing yourself daily, तब आपका वाइब्रेशन इतना ऊपर होता है, आपकी एनर्जी इतना हाई लेवल पे वाइब्रेट करता है. See, everyone is made of energy. You are also made of energy. I am also made of energy. Even this plant is made of energy. You can see the plant. It is giving me oxygen. Just let me silent and it is effortlessly giving me oxygen, right? So its vibration is high. It is not bothered about nazar lag jayega and all. So when you vibrate at high frequency, what is the frequency of black magic? What is the frequency of nazar, Buri nazar? Low, right? Low vibration. So when you are vibrating at high vibration, do you think that there are billionaires, there are extremely successful people who have wonderful relationships, there are extremely successful people in their career, there are extremely successful people in their health? But now I will explain, when you focus on all areas of life, when you have a great health, you have wonderful career, you are earning a lot and you have wonderful relationships, you are vibrating at right frequency, high frequency. So tell me, what is the frequency of black magic? What is the frequency of Buri nazar? What is the frequency of any diseases? Sometimes people say that उनकी नज़र लग गई इसलिए मैं बीमार पड़ गई, जो कि साइंटिफिकली सच भी है, हो सकता है. जैसे कि हम अगर रिमोट हीलिंग भेज सकते हैं लोगों को और हील कर सकते हैं, तो रिमोटली कोई आपका बुरा भी चाह सकता है और बुरा कर सकता है, लेकिन कब कर सकता है? When you heal yourself, when you vibrate at high frequency, what happens? Energy has frequency, and frequency, when frequency matches, attraction happens. So if your frequency is not matching that low vibration, low frequency of Kala Jadu, will you attract that? It is impossible. So black magic won't work on you when you vibrate at high frequency. So suppose you are on the top of the mountain and there are some mosquitoes under the mountain. Will they bite you? No. So just like that, when you take responsibility of your frequency, when you start vibrating at high frequency, this Kala Jadu, this black magic doesn't work. But do you think healing vibration can work? Yes, that can work for you. So it is very important to clean the negative energy daily. So I clean my whatever negative energy I am attracting, whatever negative energy throughout the day I am facing, I clean my energy daily, and all my students are cleaning them daily. That's why the Buri nazar, the black magic, doesn't work on them. If this video really helped you, please subscribe to the channel. I am going to share more helpful techniques, and please share it with your friends who think nazar lag jayega. That's why you are creating a block in your success. So whoever feels like that, share it with your friends and family and relatives, and subscribe to the channel and like this video if you really liked and found it helpful. Thank you. Ciao, and join my WhatsApp group where I take free sessions on healing techniques. So, do you want to learn magical healing techniques for 1 hour from me, directly from me on live session? Then join this WhatsApp group. On a regular basis, I share Zoom links to join my live courses. Please join my WhatsApp group. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.